Alright, let's break down how to not just play, but how to survive and escape from Duckov. At its core, this is a survival game with extraction shooter elements. And the most important skill you need to learn is inventory management. You start with a basic 10-slot backpack and a 45-kilogram carrying limit. This isn't just about space. Every item has weight. Get too heavy and you'll move slower, make more noise, and run out of stamina fast. The key is to not be stingy. Use your medical supplies and don't hesitate to drop a cheap item to pick up something better. Your top priority in the early game should be finding a travel bag. It adds 17 slots and 15 kilos of carry weight, and it is a game changer. Now, let's talk about the most brutal part of Duckov, dying. When you die, you lose everything you were carrying. Your weapons, your armor, all of it. However, you get one chance to get it back. You have to start a new run and head back to the exact spot where you died. You'll find a mural-like structure holding your gear. But be careful, if you die a second time before you reclaim your loot, it's gone forever. Because of this, our first major tip is to always keep a good backup weapon and some ammo in your storage back at your base. If you die, you'll have a solid plan B to attempt a recovery run. Okay, so how do you get stronger? Through skills and your hideout. There are 25 tiers of skills, and as a beginner, you need to prioritize. The game will force you to unlock Backpack Expert Eye first, which gives you 4 extra backpack slots. After that, your upgrade path should be Survival Instinct Eye for 5 extra hit points, Gun Mastery Eye for a 3% damage boost, Quick Reload Eye for a 5% faster reload speed, which is a lifesaver with shotguns, and Steady Shot Eye to reduce recoil by 5%. You'll unlock these by spending credits and finding special items like cold core fragments. Next up is your hideout. This is your home base where you build facilities. The game will guide you with quests, but your first build should always be the workbench. This station lets you craft, repair, and most importantly, dismantle items. To unlock dismantling, you have to go into the workbench's upgrade menu and buy the Disassemble Station perk. It costs 1,000 credits, 1 scissor, and 1 wrench, but it's essential for getting crafting materials. While you're out in the world, you'll meet 2 key NPCs. The mysterious merchant, usually on a small hill, sells ammo, medical supplies, and quest items. The other, more important NPC is Mud the gym coach. Finding him is the key to a huge power boost. He'll give you 3 simple quests. First, deliver him 1 duck egg. Next, bring him a soda cracker. And finally, deliver a pack of cigarettes. You can buy these from the merchant or find them in the world. Once you complete his quests, Mud will agree to join your hideout. You can then build the gym facility. The gym allows you for permanent stat upgrades, like more health, making it one of the most worthwhile investments in the game. Finally, let's cover a few common questions. How do you expand your inventory? 3 ways. Find or buy bigger backpacks, invest in the backpack expert skills, and upgrade the storage chest in your hideout. What's the best weapon for beginners? Stick to reliable weapons with common ammo. Shotguns are very forgiving, and basic assault rifles are great all-rounders. How to use keys? You'll find keys that open locked doors. To use them without having them in your inventory, you need to build the key registration device in your hideout. Once you register a key there, it grants you permanent access. And finally, should you play solo or with a team? If you're just starting, team up. An experienced player can teach you the ropes, watch your back, and help you get your gear back when you die. That's the core loop of Duckov. The learning curve is steep, but mastering it is what makes this game so rewarding. Good luck out there. Bye.